Dr. Stone.
I didn't consent to all this medicine.
You've been out on the streets. No treatment.
I'm dying. There's no treatment for dying.
We can make you comfortable.
I don't want to be.
Why not?
Because I screwed up my life.
So you want to punish yourself for messing up your life?
Please. Stop the treatment.
Go away on itself.
It's not, Kate.
Nope. Go away.
It's been all day. There must be some treatment you know.
Nope. It'll go away. Or it won't go away.
I read about a treatment. Some doctor won a prize for it. I read about it.
You don't have the hiccups, do you? Make a note. Correct seeking behavior.
Morphine?
No. Anal digital stimulation. How long has Stone been in with her?
Are you concerned?
You know how many people get raped every day?
So it's common there for boring.
If we were to care about every person suffering on the planet, life would shut down.
How about just the ones we need?
They deserve our sympathy more than the other people.
So your solution is not to give a damn about any of them. How do you do that? How do you take that theory and put it in practice? You met her.
Whoa! Hey! Oh. Hey! I paid these people $50